called the ABC Champions League. The ABC Champions League for men and women is the old club championship. Okay, so I went to Japan and Korea last 2 weeks as president of the ABC. Japan will host the men's Champions League, and Korea will host the women's Champions League. So these are the top 12 club teams in Asia. And this will be the first time that the Champions League or the club championship will have a prize money of $50,000 each for all the teams divided. And I have asked Ricky Palou, PBL, because in the past we had a bad experience. We requested a club to represent the Asian club. Sasabihin mo lang pera. Pero hindi ako niwala mo lang pera ang club to send the team to the Asian Club Championship. It's just siguro ng budget, hindi nakasama. So, as agreed with Ricky Palou, whoever becomes the champion of the All Filipino will represent the Philippines and PBL to the ABC Champions League in May next year in Korea. And club owners, huwag na mag-isip ng gastos, dahil gagastusin na ng PBL ang funding. So, pagpapakan natin yung PBL. Okay? So, they will now have a budget to shoulder the expense. Whoever wins the champion, and you are allowed to bring 2 foreign players. Okay? So, sa inyo na yan. Whoever wins, you have to get these 2 foreign players, but all the expenses traveling to Seoul for the ABC Champions League will be funded by the PBL. So, thank you.